So the West Indies lost to Afghanistan in a warm-up match for the World Cup playoffs. But that was expected. The bigger news is Cricket West Indies board president, Mr. Dave Cameron, putting his foot in my mouth again. The man said in Jamaica, quote, "We only have female PE teachers, which is a problem. Most of them don't know cricket. They don't know the history and they are not interested." End quote. Why, Mr. Cameron? Why? Why you never just leave the argument at PE teachers generally don't know cricket and are not interested in the game? Because that might well be true. A lot of male PE teachers don't know cricket and don't interested in cricket either. So this is not a female thing. You spoil up your good argument with a careless and inaccurate statement. It's not female PE teachers why Afghanistan embarrassed the West Indies. As you quite rightly said, there are other issues hampering the development of our cricket, such as the relatively complicated and expensive nature of the game. The fact that schools are gravitating towards other sports such as track and field and football. Solid points. But I don't know what kind of spirit or demon take you, Mr. Cameron. Why you gonna call up the woman them name? Females can be blamed for the downfall of many men and many things, but they are not to be blamed for the downfall of West Indies cricket. Tell me something, Mr. Cameron. How you do it? How you manage it? How you put your foot in your mouth so often? Tell me how you do it. Come here, sir. I don't know. That's why I can't.